The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, someone brought my attention to a video that shows a shooting incident that happened within the parish that is known as Trelawny, that's within the country that is known as Jamaica. It is said that an 18-year-old man died as a result of the shooting incident. And it is said that the shooting incident happened along Albertown Main Road in Trelawny, Jamaica on Friday, the 5th of November, the year 2021. According to information that I got, it is said that the police in Trelawny are probing the shooting death of a 18-year-old man along the Albertown Main Road in Trelawny, Jamaica on the 5th of November, the year 2021. It is said that the deceased goes by the name of Radeen Keen. Now, just in case if I did not pronunciate his last name properly, I'm going to spell it. That is K-E-E-N. Now, according to reports, it is said that sometime at around 3:30 p.m. on the 5th of November, the year 2021, the 18-year-old man was standing along the main road with two of his friends waiting on his father. It is said that a black Nissan motor vehicle drove up and gunmen opened the doors of the motor vehicle and opened fire. It is said that the 18-year-old man had been shot multiple times, and it is said that those gunmen made their escape in the Nissan motor vehicle. It is also said that the 18-year-old man died on the spot. Now, viewers and subscribers, when I look at the video, I saw some things in that video that gave me the understanding that whosoever was driving that Nissan motor vehicle did not even realize that the handbrake for the motor vehicle was up when they was trying to make their escape. Because when I look at the video carefully, I realized that the two front wheels of the motor vehicle was pulling the motor vehicle and the two back wheels of the motor vehicle were not spinning. But eventually, it seems as if whosoever was driving the motor vehicle realized, and then they drove off. So here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and every one. Until the next time, if you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it.